Hello, hello. Today is day 17th of Promptathon, building unique AI habits. And if you have come to this video, I recommend going back to the previous video because there's a little bit background about how we are going to do the practical in this connect today. So I request you to go subscribe to the channel, go back, follow all the previous videos. It's all stacked in order, so it's very easy to watch. Okay, quick recap. Yesterday we spoke about how an idea can be transformed into a practical use case which is applicable for any business, in fact for anything in life. But there's a prompting way that we will use. Not only that, we will also try to leverage the deep knowledge of the big four consulting companies. We will try to take adopt their style, right? They have a very consulting style, and I have created my own consulting style, leveraging from them, leveraging, on working on different AI workflow, on functional implementations. We will use a blend of it. I'm not saying this is the best. Go to ChatGPT, go to Google, go to YouTube, you'll find 100 more. Work whichever one is the best, but this is tried, tested, really works well. So the recap is already there in the yesterday's video, so go there. Today we will straight away get into practical. All right, and let's start with that. What I've done is I have copied that image. Okay, you can take a screenshot of that same image and I pasted it on ChatGPT. And I've also put a prompt here. This is startup prompt. I've not refined my prompt using ChatGPT. You can feel free to do that. I'm just going very raw right now. I'm saying I want to do process and workflow consulting to identify AI opportunities. I want to use this methodology that is attached. Please guide me. The first process I want to pick is of a chartered accountant. Let's try with chartered accountant. We'll try one legal also if possible. Who analyzes and provides information. The chartered accountant provides and analyzes information about companies' financial record, focusing on areas like financial reporting, taxation, and corporate finance. Very broad I've given. Okay, let's see what comes up. So it has come up and it says, got it. You want to use the consulting style discovery, gap analysis, opportunity identification, so and so approach for a chartered accountant. Okay, where AI can help. Okay, specifically in reporting and all. So it is saying number one, discovery. Understand the CA's current workflow action. Interview the accountant and observe their day-to-day tasks. Okay. So if there is an accountant, in my team, I'll ask. Map out to each step in financial reporting, taxation, and corporate finance. Let's go a little deeper here, slowly. Gather financial data. Whether it is from ERP, are they getting it from bank feeds? Are they getting it from invoices, extra, etc.? Prepare profit and loss. So financial reporting, we are talking about each step, right? Now I can ask that first, let's break down financial reporting, then let's break down taxation and so on. So but it's right now mixed everything. Don't worry, we will do that also. Now in tax planning, it is asking what are the tax calculation reporting deadlines. In financial analysis, what are the how do they do cash flows, valuation ratios, advising clients, what is it? Okay. Next, they said we'll go to gap analysis. Then, during gap analysis, the goal is to find inefficiencies and resource intensive areas. So, identify manual, repetitive, or error prone tasks. Manual data entry or reconciliation, repetitive report generation, compliance tracking. Okay, break down the time and cost per activity. Highlights where bottleneck exists. All of it we will ask ChatGPT to do. Tell me, trust me, it'll be real fun. Then the third is opportunity identification, where they find opportunities for AI to come in, whether it is data automation. So AI powered data extraction can happen from invoices, bank statements, very, very easy. All the PDFs data that AI can do it. Anomaly extraction. So AI can find out if there are irregularities in financial transactions. Anything that is not a part of the pattern, it can identify. Even if it is a part of the pattern you want specifically, you can prompt it, it will give you. Predictive, obviously it has all the statistics based on the data. It will predict what is your cash flow future next 3 months, 6 months, whatever is the time frame. You can create chatbot assistant. We have tried that last week. So now all those things are there, but let me not go there. What I will do is I will ask, I want a value stream mapping of each process. I want to go step by step. So let me say, let's start financial reporting. Okay. Let's start with financial reporting. Um, okay, I can give more, but I'll pause here. Let's try this out. Okay, it says, let's start with financial. It's saying value stream mapping step by step. So, for context, a value stream outlines steps in the process, inputs and output of each process. Who performs the step? Is it manual? Is it system? Is it human? Time taken, value added versus non value added, pain points, opportunities for AI automation. Okay? Then it goes to step one, which is define the financial reporting process. Typically, stages of a chartered accountant following the stages are data collection, data cleansing, journal entries, trial balance preparation, financial statement preparation, variance analysis, final review, report submission. Now, I'm not even a chartered accountant, I'm not from the finance background, but this has made it so clear, so simple for me. Then, step two, we will get to the real value stream, which is data collection. Is it from bank feeds? Is it from ERP? How is the raw financial data? Is it performed by accountant? What is the time taken? Is it manual? Okay, is it downloaded? Is it scattered sources? How do you pull it information? Then let's come to the next one, data cleansing and reporting. Let me put it here. Next is data cleansing, raw data. Is it input as raw data? What is output? Clean match data. Who is doing it? Accountant. What is the time taken? 8 to 12 hours. So it is already given my whole the value stream for financial reporting process. Okay, journal entries, how they are made, trial balance, how they are made, how much time is it being taken, what is it. Now I just need to make sure that I copy this as a table. Okay, and I put it in my Excel, and I just manually validate, okay, this is accountant. Some work I also have to do, right? So I'll have to put whether it is manual, whether it is automated. Like this one was saying scattered. Where was this? Scattered sources. Lovely point. Yes, it could be scattered, so I have to put that point there. So similarly, I have to also make sure that, okay, who is reviewing it? Why do they need the review? Why there is a back and forth? Things like that. So all of it. Next steps. It is asking, do you want me to turn this into a clean visual value stream flow diagram? I can try that. Or do you want to layer in estimated cost and time cycles for return of investment calculation, or both? Do you want both? Let's ask both. We have options. Both. Let's say both. Give it some time. So here it says I will proceed step by step. First, build the visual stream mapping. Okay. And there are 8 process stages. You have more, you added more, and it'll, we are not right now challenging it because I'm just going by its regular flow. You can go by challenging it as well. Include cycle time, total lead time, what it is, add cost estimates. Okay. So let's see. Before I draw the visual map, what hourly rate should we assume for the CA? It is asking some questions. So let's say, yeah, let's say $50. And then, do you want me to make the visual in SPath consulting or approach a standardized? I'll say standardized. There's no problem there. Should we assume monthly reporting? Let's say assuming monthly reporting. There's no problem in that. We just as a demi, so we are just trying all this. Let's see. Now it'll come up with VSM, value stream mapping. So hourly rate is so and so, monthly reporting, it's given. It's creating a beautiful table. Let's see what this comes up with. Created. Awesome. So it's saying number one, bank feeds. Cycle time is 8 hours. Cost is around $400 overall. Okay, because of the number of hours into per hour rate, which is 50. Value added 20%, mostly is non-value added because there is a lot of scattered sources, errors are there, manual downloads. How AI can do it? RPA bots to fetch data, OCR for invoices, API integration. Now, this is not exactly AI, no problem. We will go further and we'll find. Next is data cleansing. It is saying $600 we will save here. How? Because the work is manual, okay, error prone, AI driven anomaly detection. Good. Automated reconciliation tools. We can ask how, what is this, and how ChatGPT recommends what kind of automated reconciliation tools I can use, which is available. Again, remember, this is for non-technical. We don't want heavy codes. We don't want a lot of technology integration. We are looking at what is today currently available. Copilot, ChatGPT, Perplexity, whatever you use. The current tools, if you can use it. Journal entries, $250. Again, AI suggested for adjustment patterns recognition. Trial balance preparation. It is saying automated trial balance generated from ERP. Again, so there's a lot of it. Now I am not very happy with it. What I want to tell it is I want that I want to use no code and um, available AI like ChatGPT and Copilot. I don't want um, tech intervention. Now you give me simple solutions. Let's see. Oh, some spelling mistakes. Never mind, it'll catch it. So it understood me. It says you don't want tech heavy integrations. I don't want APIs. I don't want RPAs. I just want a very simple no code solution using ChatGPT. So it says use ChatGPT to quickly summarize raw exports, bank, ERPs by pasting anomalized data. Okay, good. And the prompt it is saying is summarize these transactions by category, highlight anomalies. Okay. Then it says use Excel AI add-ons like Microsoft 360 to import and clean CSVs. Okay, fine. For invoices PDFs, use ChatGPT with OCR tools. There are few free apps like PDF Tabula to extract line items. Even ChatGPT can do that. Data cleansing, it is telling paste raw transaction list into ChatGPT and ask find duplicate transactions or which entries look unusual. So what I did was I asked it to give me an Excel, and then I even said that just give me like a table of what the main processes are, where are the manual steps, and then where AI can come in. So it has given it. It says here's a clean, detailed table, process steps, which parts are manual today, where AI, ChatGPT, Copilot can be simply used, right? And what are the starter prompts? So it says number one. This is the summary. This is the extract. This is the final work what we are getting. You can do even further refinement, but let's take this for today as a final. You can go further as much as you want. So data collection in my financial report process. Why it is manual? Downloading bank reports, exporting ERP data, consolidating invoicing, formatting. How AI can help? AI can help to summarize raw data, extract from PDFs, and help CSV formats. What is the prompt that I can use? Summarize these transactions by categorizing the date, extract invoice number, date, and amount from this PDF list. So these two prompts, I can ask for more prompts, it will give you more prompts. And finally, we got one use case. That is the first use case of data collection can be automated by the use of these prompts. Number two, data cleansing. Manual matching of transactions. Okay, what is manual? Finding duplicate, checking for errors across ledgers. What AI can help? AI can identify duplicates, mismatches, and anomalies quickly. What are the prompts that we can use? Find duplicate or unmatched transactions in this list. Highlight unusual amounts compared to the last month. So nice. So one more use case we got in. What is the process we are doing? Financial reporting. You remember there were other reportings like trial balance, like your corporate accounting or your taxation. We are not gone there even. Okay, we are just looking at one small function. In fact, if we do a full deep dive about data collection only, there can be some 50 points that it will generate. So it can go that deep. So that is up to you. Okay, I'm just giving you a food for thought. You extrapolate this. Third point, journal entries. What was the earlier process? Manual. It was creating entries for depreciation, accruals, and recurring. AI can draft standard entries. Okay, and you can copy paste it every time. Draft journal entries for monthly depreciation given these asset rates. So nice. Trial balance. Again, there was some manual aggregating ledger balances, rolling up to P&L. How it can help? Copilot can auto create roll ups while ChatGPT can summarize balances. So you will use two tools and do that. What is the prompt? Summarize this trial balance into a draft P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow. Again, variance analysis, financial review, and so on. So it is asking, do you want me to give me some estimate? No, not right now. But what I want it to do is, let's try one more example. I want to ask it, how can I approach this? How can I make this a very universal general approach to identify AI use cases in a simple way for any of my workflow? In this, and give me 10 step simplified approach. Please take legal contract review as an example for now. Okay, let's see what this gives us because now we got one approach. So it says very simple 10-step approach. Number one, list the end-to-end workflow, which again you can ask Copilot ChatGPT to do. Number two, note what is manual and repetitive, which again they will do. You just have to validate if it is true or not. Number three, identify the information inputs and outputs. It will give it. You can add, like you can say, okay, no, it is not PDF. It is Word document. It is not ERP. It is an Excel based, things like that. Okay. Then you can ask fourth step. Can AI understand this data, right? Is it text, numbers, PDF, emails, tables? If yes, it becomes very easy for generative AI to be, we can argument AI or generative AI into those workflows. Spot the pattern tasks. This is very easy. It can do. Quick wins. Let's find very small copy paste chat GPT or copilot prompts. Small ones. Small, just very little. Then you can draft prompts for each AI. You can go deeper as much as you want. Then do the cost estimate so you can show to your management. Then test with an example. Okay, if it works, great. Then you can document this as a playbook. Now, if you want to do that, you can, it's asking for more information. But I'll pause here. So you start thinking whether you're a doctor, you want some steps for your medical professional, you are a lawyer, okay, you're probably a design engineer, you're probably a cloud architect, or you are a teacher and every day you create lesson plans or something, right? You're a software designer or software developer, website developer. Whatever is your work, whatever is your business, whatever is your use case, now use this format, ask ChatGPT, and get the results. And with this, I want to thank all of you who have stayed till the day 18th of Promptathon journey. This is the last of the long Promptathon series. I know it must be very exhausting for you, so was it for me. But I can promise you, I'll assure you, every day I will put a small shot or a nugget as much, at least 4 to 5 times a week. You can check those out. There will be some really amazing, fantastic, funny, or useful use cases, and it will twist your mind. It will change your mind on how you can use AI and other tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and so on. Thank you all. This is Promptathon.